What if you could earn passive income just by holding your crypto? No trading, no charts, no stress. In this video, I'll show you 5 DeFi projects that actually pay you to HODL and how you can start earning today. 1. Lido Finance, Liquid ETH Staking. Lido lets you stake Ethereum and receive ETH. You earn staking rewards while keeping your assets liquid, meaning you can still use them in DeFi. It's ideal for ETH holders who want flexibility and passive yield. 2. Aave, Lending Rewards. Aave is a decentralized lending protocol. Deposit assets like USDC, ETH, or DAI and earn interest from borrowers. It's secure, audited, and widely adopted, a solid choice for earning while holding. 3. RocketPool, ETH staking for everyone. RocketPool allows ETH staking with low minimums, as low as 0.01 ETH. You earn ETH staking rewards plus RPL token incentives. It's decentralized, beginner-friendly, and supports Ethereum's network security. 4. Convex Finance, Boosted Curve Yields. Convex helps you maximize yield from Curve Finance's stablecoin pools. Stake Curve LP tokens and earn boosted rewards in CVX and CRV. It's great for users who want high APY and understand illiquidity strategies. 5. Pendle, Tokenized Yield Trading. Pendle lets you split and trade future yield separately from the principal. You can lock assets and either sell yield up front or hold for ongoing returns. It's innovative and gaining traction fast, ideal for strategic holders. Recap and strategy tips. Lido, Liquid ETH Staking. Aave, Lending Rewards. RocketPool, ETH staking with low minimums. Convex, Boosted stablecoin yields. Pendle, Tokenized yield trading. Strategy tip: diversify across platforms. Use stablecoins for predictable returns, ETH for staking, and LP tokens if you're comfortable with DeFi mechanics. Call to action: